Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can stop the auto update in your Windows 11. So first of all, come below at the search bar, then type in services. You will see it under system, open it. Now as you do that, you will see these very many options. Click anywhere, then type in W. We're going to have to specifically look for Windows Update. So in my case, I have it under Windows 10. So double click onto it. Make sure that you're under General, under Startup Type. It might be set to Automatic. Select Manual or Disabled. Once done, select Recovery. Now in here under First Failure, this might be set to any option, but you're going to have to select Take No Action. Repeat the same for Second Failure as well. Take no action, then select OK. Once you have done that, what you could do is come below at the search bar again, type in Windows Update. You will see check for updates under System Settings. Open it, and under More Options, it says get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Go ahead and toggle this off. Once done, go ahead, restart your device, and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.